My businesses make about $1,500 per hour, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, regardless of what I'm doing. And that is not an accident. That is because we have nailed our marketing approach. Our marketing and sales approach is in line with the technology trends of today. And today in this video, I want to share with you what is the most important simple marketing approach that I'm using across all of my products and services globally. If we haven't met yet, I'm Daniel Priestley. For the last 20 years, I've been building and scaling multiple startups. I've had 7 startups that have gone 0 to $1 million in their first 12 months. I've had multiple businesses go north of 10 million. I've built companies, sold companies, I've bought companies, I've spun out new businesses from existing businesses. I've written 7 books on entrepreneurship. All of that is to say that I spend a lot of time thinking about this stuff. The first thing that I need you to know is how social media has changed over the last few years, and it's significant. See, if we go back in time, before 2015, all the attention was on social media and the feed that you would see was chronological. That meant that if you posted something regularly, you had more chance of being seen in the feed. But here's the one big thing from prior to 2015. 90% of the people who would see the posts that you put on social media were your existing followers that you had met in the real world and you deliberately followed each other. So you would follow someone on social media because you knew who they were, and then and only then did you see what they were posting and you saw it in a chronological order. Then the next era was called engagement-based sorting. This was all about seeing things that people were posting based upon the engagement. So once again, you would have a collection of followers, people that you had followed or connected with on social media, but the way that the algorithm would sort your feed was through engagement. So things that had lots of likes or lots of watch time or lots of comments would go to the top, and things that didn't get much engagement, that would fall down to the bottom. Once we got into 2020, we started to see the beginnings of hyper-targeted sorting and also the beginnings of AI sorting. Now, what this meant is that on some platforms like TikTok, rather than having to have an audience or a group of followers or subscribers, the AI algorithm would pump out your content based on what was trending. And a big part of this hyper-targeting and a big part of this AI sorting was all about trending topics. What it would do is it would figure out what each person was interested in as far as trending topics were concerned, and it would bring things from all over the world, and it would try and find the trending topics that you were going to be interested in. Now, from 2025 onwards, we are now into what we call the recommendation engine. The recommendation engine is a powerful AI that looks at every single piece of content and it matchmakes that piece of content with the person who should be seeing it. Someone in Brisbane, Australia could make a piece of content that is absolutely perfect for someone in Boston, USA, and the recommendation engine will figure out that that piece of content from Brisbane needs to be in front of that person who's in Boston. This is a magical piece of technology that will change humanity. The fact that the AI recommendation engine is matchmaking people no matter where they are on the planet is wild. And what this does for your business is equally incredible. Imagine it like this. Imagine you had a magical telephone, and if you pick up that telephone, it will literally connect you with someone who wants to buy from you. Wouldn't that be incredible? How often would you pick up the phone? You'd probably pick up the phone non-stop and generate a ton of new business. Maybe you would even hire someone whose only job was to pick up the phone and talk to the people on the other end of the phone. That's kind of what the recommendation engine is doing. It is connecting you with the person who wants to know what your business does and what problem you solve and what outcomes you deliver. It's connecting you with the person anywhere in the world who's interested in what you do. I would go so far as to say the recommendation engine is the most powerful AI on the planet, and that large language models are second most powerful. I know it doesn't feel like that because the recommendation engine is invisible to you and the LLMs are the things that you see and interact with personally, but the recommendation engine is directing traffic, it's directing attention, it's changing the nature of politics, it's changing consumer behavior, and it's doing it all invisibly. Your business depends upon you tapping into that recommendation engine. So I want to give you a simple strategy as to how you're going to tap into the recommendation engine, and I've been testing this over the last 12 months, and oh my goodness, this has supercharged our marketing. Quick interruption. If you want to understand my marketing strategy in detail, come along to a live environment with other entrepreneurs. We're going to go through and I'll talk you through in more detail about how I do my marketing. I'm running a live workshop and we're going to go through step by step my entire strategy. You'll see behind the curtain, you'll be able to copy what I'm doing and get the same results. There'll be a link somewhere in the description below and you'll be able to click the link, book in, and I'll see you at the live workshop. Now let's get back to the video. So the strategy is called short form, long form, lead form. Short form content that leads into long form content that then directs people to fill in a form and signal that they're interested in working with you. And here's how it's going to work. Every single day, you're going to post something that is a short post, and I'm going to tell you what to post, but it's going to be a short post every single day. That short post is then going to get people to click on a piece of long form content, and that long form content is going to educate people as to what to do next. And then that is going to tell people to click onto a lead form where they're going to literally fill in a form and signal that they want to do business with you. And all of this sits on top of the rails of the recommendation engine. So it's going to expand faster than you know what to do with. So let's look at short form content. There are 4 things that I want you to post about when it comes to short form content. Short form content, I want you to talk about the pain that your customer would experience if they don't buy from you, right? So this is the pain that they're currently experiencing because they don't have your product or service. Let's say you help people with their advertising. The pain is that they don't have enough customers. The pain is that their revenues are flat. The pain is that they're talking to the wrong people. The pain is that they're sitting around waiting for a referral that never comes. So all of that is the pain point that people might be able to relate to. The next thing I want you to talk about is the opposite of that, which is the prize. The prize is what would be on the other side. What would happen if people did buy from you? What would be the joyful celebration that they would have if everything worked because they bought from you? So that's the prize. What is it that they want to get to? The third thing is the problem. And the problem is what has stopped them in the past from getting the results that they want. Why is it they haven't been able to do this? So let's say your business does something in the health and fitness space because it's easy to understand. The pain would be the pain that you experience by not having the health or the fitness that you want. The prize would be what would it feel like to have the health and fitness, and the problem is what's stopping you from getting the health and fitness. The fourth thing is called news. Now, the recommendation engine is always looking for trending news, and anything you can do to connect what you do to something that's trending in the news is going to give you a turbocharge. So I want you to think about pain, prize, problem, and then the news is going to give you the extra turbocharge. So you could talk about pain that's in the news, prize that's in the news, problem that's in the news, or just news stories that relate to what it is that you do. Now, you need to do short form content daily. And the reason for that is because people see you for the first time when they see you for the 11th time, which means that if you're posting anything less than daily, you're not being seen enough for people to recognize who you are and what you do. Remember that people are just scrolling. Humans consume 200 billion short form videos per day. It's a lot of short form videos. If they're scrolling, it all turns into noise. They have to be able to see you 11 times within 90 days in order to even recognize that you exist. So you need to post daily on this short form content. The short form content is going to invite people to check out a piece of long form content. You might ask people to comment a word and you will send them the long form content, or you might just direct them to check out a piece of long form content that is pinned to the top of your channel. What are you going to cover in long form content? There's 3 main things. Number 1 is called a proof story. A proof story is a story that proves you know what you're talking about. Or it could be a statistic or a fact or some research that proves that there is something worth paying attention to. So you might say, I helped someone lose 20 kilos of body fat. Or you might say, I helped one of my clients go from 2 million to 5 million of revenue in under 2 years. So a proof story is something that proves you must know something worth talking about. Underneath a proof story is the success principles. And the principles are the 3 to 5 things that made that proof story possible. So for example, if you're talking about health and wellness, you might talk about diet, exercise, and mindset. So these are the big principles that make the proof story possible. And the third thing is the process that you use to engage with your clients. So you might say, I do coaching, or I do accountability, or I use software, or I do this, that, and the other. Whatever is the process that you take people through. So proof, principles, process, and all of that gets covered in a long form piece of content. Now, in a long form piece of content, you're explaining to people that it's possible to get a new result. I want you to keep in mind your customers, they have gaps in their awareness, they have gaps in their understanding, and if you can close those gaps, they're more likely to buy from you. So don't assume that they're mind readers. Create long form explainer content that explains step by step how something is done. And if people watch that explainer content, give them a call to action to fill in a form. Short form, long form, lead form. The lead form is going to contain a special offer, a product for prospects, or a promotion. So a special offer is some sort of special offer that's currently running. Maybe it's a discount, maybe it's a limited time offer, maybe it's a new launch campaign. There is a special offer that people can engage with. A product for prospects is an easy first step to working with you. It could be an introduction workshop, an online assessment, filling in a wait list, joining a discussion group. Any of those things are good product for prospects. A promotion is some sort of thing that's happening for a limited amount of time that people can engage with, and it's going to have an end date. Any offers, product for prospects, or promotions are great reasons for people to fill in this lead form. Now, the way you want to make this super clear for people is to make sure that the top of the lead form has a hook that explains what's going on. It restates your value proposition so people understand, if I do this, I will get this. It states your credibility. So it could be customer testimonials, it could be your qualifications, it could be research linked to what you do. And it has a clear call to action telling people to fill in this form in order to get started. Now, the lead form, it's very, very easy for you to do all of that on ScoreApp. In fact, all of that thinking is built into the AI tools on ScoreApp and all the templates on ScoreApp. So if you don't currently have lead forms with your offers and your promotions and your product for prospects, just use scoreapp.com to create all of those lead forms. Now, once you've got a great lead form and that lead form converts, you just do short form every single day, a new piece of long form every single month, and at least a new offer every single 90 days. So the cadence is short form daily, long form monthly, new offer every quarter. Now, the beauty of this is that embedded in all of the things that I've asked you to do is all the information that the AI needs in order to fuel the recommendation engine and put that content in front of the right people. Because when you're talking about your pain, your prize, your problem, and the news, it will figure out who's interested in solving that problem, who's interested in getting rid of that pain, who's interested in getting that prize, and it will put that short form content in front of that person. When they engage with that content, it'll direct people over to the long form content that educates and entertains them and tells them and explains to them what it is they need to do next. And then it captures the details so that you can talk to those people. From here, you've got your sales process. You've often heard me talk about LAPs, leads, appointments, presentations, and sales. This lead form is the lead that sparks the sales process. So there you have it, a really simple strategy that I'm using across all of my businesses. Every single one of my businesses is in double-digit growth right now because of short form, long form, lead form. We are doing this all the time. You can check out all the different channels that I'm involved in. You can look at my social media. You will see examples of short form, long form, lead form happening constantly all the time on all of my social media, and it's working. Thousands upon thousands of warm, qualified leads every single month coming in for all the different businesses because of this simple approach. Short form, long form, lead form. I want you to implement this in your business. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, come and join me for the live workshop that I mentioned earlier, and I'll see you there. Give this video a like, give the channel a subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. All the best.